everyone, welcome back to the digital tutorial. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to clear your Facebook watch history in just a few steps. Yes, that's right. Every video you watch on Facebook is saved, and I'll explain it why it matters and how to delete it fast. What is Facebook Watch History? So, it is a list of videos you've previously watched on the Facebook Watch tab, just like YouTube's Watch History. It helps Facebook suggest similar content based on what you watch. But if you're sharing your account, concerned about privacy, or just want to receive your recommendations, clearing that history is a smart move. So, ready? Let's dive right in and open your Facebook app. So, tap on that menu above, or they call it hamburger icon. And scroll down in tap settings and privacy, then tap settings. Then after that, go scroll down all the way down and down and down and find your activity. Under your activity section, click or tap activity log. So as you can see, there's a public post, public tags, and live videos. So all you have to do is swipe the screen to the left to find the video watch. So let's go and swipe. So when you find the video watch, you have or all you need to do is tap it. So these are the video I watch. So I am not busy. I am just watching videos on Facebook. So what you will do is you have to clear video watch history. You have to tap it, then tap clear. Then go back and click the arrow in the upper left corner. And again, tap video watch to clear another batch of watch history. And just do the same. Tap clear video watch history and tap clear. Once again, click the arrow in the upper left corner. And again, tap videos watch. And that's it. It says no item. So I've just cleared my Facebook watch history. So reasons to clear Facebook watch history. First, protect your privacy if someone else uses your account. Second, stop seeing annoying or repetitive video suggestions. Third, have a fresh start with new videos recommendations. And fourth, just want to keep things tidy. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe or follow for more, and share it with someone who needs to know this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.